Namaste, dear all. Thanks for being with me in Singer's Choice again today. And today's first choice is by Sri Rajeshwari Babu, Srimati Rajeshwari Babu. She asked for a Tamil song written by Sri Valiji and music by Sri Ilayaraja from the film Magudi. Ma, thanks for your contribution. It's a duet song by me and Srimati Janaki ji. Gapagari sa risa sadasa sari gapagari sarisa gapagari sari gapaga gapasa நீலக்குயிலே உன்னோடு நான் பண்பாடுவேன், நாதப்புனலில் அன்றாடம் நான் நீராடுவேன். இந்நாளிலே சங்கீதமும் சந்தோஷமும் ஒன்றானதே. உள்ளம் பாமாலை பாடுதே, நீலக்குயிலே உன்னோடு நான் பண்பாடுவேன், நாதப்புனலில் அன்றாடம் நான் நீராடுவேன். அதிகாலை நான். Next choice is by Sri Chandrika Rao. Thanks for your contribution. And the choice is for a Telugu song written by Sri Shivaganesh and Ratnam, for the music of Sri A.R. Rahman. The film is Premikudu. It's a triplet actually. Myself, Sri Udit Narayan and my daughter S.P. Pallavi have sung this along with the chorus support. So there are limitations, you understand it. La 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 la. అందమైన ప్రేమ రాశి చెయ్యి తగిలితే సత్తుకేకు కూడా స్వర్ణమేలే. అందమైన ప్రేమ రాశి చెయ్యి తగిలితే సత్తురేకు కూడా స్వర్ణమేలే. అందమైన ప్రేమ రాణి లేత బుగ్గపై చిన్న ముటిమ కూడా ముత్యమేలే. చెమట నీరే మంచి గంధం, ఓర చూపే మోక్ష మార్గం, వయసుల సంగీతమే భూమికే భూపాలమే. వయసుల సంగీతమే భూమికే భూపాలమే. I should sing it in octave low. సాని సా సరగార సాని సాని పాని సాని సా సారే మమ్మ పమగరి సాని సా సరగార సాని సాని పాని సాని సా సారే మమ్మ పమ సాని సా సరగార సాని సాని పాని సాని సా సారే మమ్మ పమగరి సా. ప్రేమికులకు పగలు రాత్రి భేదముండదే, మాటలన్నీ కవితలేనులే. ప్రేమకెప్పుడు మనసులోన భేదముండదే, ఎంగిలైన అమృతమ్ములే. గుండుమల్లి ఒక్క రూపాయి నీ కొప్పులోన చేరితే కోటి రూపాయలు. I think this all should be sung on the higher octave. ప్రేమికులకు పగలు రాత్రి భేదముండదే. Very wrong. I was right in singing in the octave low. ప్రేమికులకు పగలు రాత్రి భేదముండదే, మాటలన్నీ కవితలేనులే. ప్రేమకెప్పుడు మనసులోన భేదముండదే, ఎంగిలైన అమృతములే. గుండు మల్లె ఒక్క రూపాయి, నీ కొప్పులోన చేరితే కోటి రూపాయలు. పీచు మిఠాయి అర్ధ రూపాయి, నువ్వు కొరికి ఇస్తే దాని విలువ 1,00,000 రూపాయలు. అందమైన ప్రేమ రాసి చెయ్యి తగిలితే సత్తురేకు కూడా స్వర్గమేలే. అందమైన ప్రేమ రాసి చెయ్యి తగిలితే సత్తురేకు కూడా స్వర్ణమేలే. అందమైన ప్రేమ రాణి లేత బుగ్గపై చిన్న ముటిమ కూడా ముత్యమేలే. చెమట నీరే మంచి గంధం, ఓర చూపే మోక్ష మార్గం. వయసుల సంగీతమే భూమికే భూపాలమే. వయసుల సంగీతమే భూమికే భూపాలమే. I think just because I danced, you asked to sing this song. There's too many ranges actually. I tried to do my best. There were mistakes. Please forgive me. The next choice is by Sri Balaji Srinivasachari. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your contribution also. For a Tamil song written by Sri Vali and music by Sri Ilayaraja from the film Uravadum Nenjam. It's a duet song by me and Janaki Amma. ஒரு நாள் உன்னோடு ஒரு நாள் உறவினில் ஆட புதுமைகள் காண காண்போமே என்னாலும் திருநாள். ஒரு நாள் உன்னோடு ஒரு நாள் உறவினில் ஆட புதுமைகள் காண காண்போமே என்னாலும் திருநாள். ஒரு நாள் உன்னோடு ஒரு நாள். மஞ்சளின் மகராணி குங்கும பெருந்தேவி உன்னால் பொன்னால் கண்டேனே. கண்ணில் சொர்க்கத்தின் நிழலை கண்டேனே. உன்முகம் பார்த்து மலர்ந்தேனே. உன்முகம் பார்த்து மலர்ந்தேனே. உன்னிழல் தேடி வளர்ந்தேனே. ஒரு நாள் உன்னோடு ஒரு நாள். உன்னிடம் நான் கண்ட பெருமைகள் பல உண்டு. கோபம் வேகம் மாறாதோ, மாறும் நன்னாள் என்னால் காண்பேனோ. புன்னகையாலே என்னை மாத்து, புன்னகையாலே என்னை மாத்து. பொன்னழகே நீ பூங்காத்து. ஒரு நாள் உன்னோடு ஒரு நாள் உறவினிலாட புதுமைகள் காண காண்போமே என்னாலும் திருநாள். ஒரு நாள் உன்னோடு ஒரு நாள். Next choice is by Sri Ram Kumar. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your contribution. For a Tamil song written by Sri Valiji and music by Sri Ilayaraja. From the film Naan Sunnati Sattam, it's a duet song along with Asha Bhonsle ji.
ஒரு தேவதை வந்தது மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. அழகிய தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. என் மனதில் சோகங்கள் தீர, அதில் இனிமை என்றென்றும் சேர. என் மனதில் சோகங்கள் தீர, அதில் இனிமை என்றென்றும் சேர. பல புதிய ராகங்கள் பாட, அதில் இனிய நாதங்கள் கூட. அழகிய தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. அது செஞ்சான் பல்லவி அங்கே. ஒரு தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. என் மனதில் சோகங்கள் தீர, அதில் இனிமை என்றென்றும் சேர. பல புதிய ராகங்கள் பாட, அதில் இனிய நாதங்கள் கூட. அழகிய தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. காற்றினில் பூவாசம் காற்றோடு போகும், ஏட்டினில் எழுதாத கவி போலே. கடலினில் மழை நீரும் வீணாதல் போலே, உலகினில் வீணாக இருந்தேனே. பன்னிடும் காலங்கள் மூடிய அறை தன்னில் பொன் விளக்கும் ஏற்று இருளங்கு விலகாது. நான் செய்த பாவங்கள் தீராத ஒன்று, நீ வந்து தீர்த்தாயே என் தேவி இன்று. அன்பே என் அன்பே என் சொல்வேன், ஒரு தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. அழகிய தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது. என் மனதில் சோகங்கள் தீர, அதில் இனிமை என்றென்றும் சேர. பல புதிய ராகங்கள் பாட, அதில் இனிய நாதங்கள் கூட. அழகிய தேவதை வந்தது, மனச்சிறை கூண்டை திறந்து சென்றது.
Next request comes from Bharati Bhaskarji for a Tamil song written by Panji Arunachalam Sahab, and from the film Aarlinde Aruvathu Varai. Music is by Ilayaraja, and my senior singer Janki ji, along with whom I have sung this number. You may be wondering why I am singing all Tamil songs. No other, I have completed all the other requests. I'll come at the end of this episode about that. This song is made when technology was not at its cutting edge best. Only 35mm recording tape we were doing, and there are lots of overlaps for which we have to use 2 recorders and did it, and same voice on overlapping on the other voice. Here I can't do that. Hope you understand that.
கண்மணியே, காதல் என்பது கற்பனையோ காவியமோ, கண் வரைந்த ஓவியமோ, எத்தனை எத்தனை இன்பங்கள் நெஞ்சினில் பொங்குதம்மா, பல் சுவையும் சொல்லுதம்மா. கண்மணியே, this is the first breathless song made actually. I am taking breath. Now I am singing, taking breath and singing, but it will be in one breath there. The two using 2 recorders we have done. கண்மணியே, காதல் என்பது கற்பனையோ காவியமோ, கண் வரைந்த ஓவியமோ, எத்தனை எத்தனை இன்பங்கள் நெஞ்சினில் பொங்குதம்மா, பல் சுவையும் சொல்லுதம்மா. மேளம் முழங்கிட தோரணமாடிட காலமும் வந்ததம்மா, நேரமும் வந்ததம்மா. பார்வையில் ஜாடையில் தோன்றிடும் ஆசையில் பாடிடும் வண்ணங்களே இந்த பாவையின் உள்ளத்திலே. பூவிதழ் தேன் குலுங்க சிந்தும் புன்னகை நான் மயங்க, ஆயிரம் காலமும் நான் உந்தன் மார்பினில் சாய்ந்திருப்பேன் வாழ்ந்திருப்பேன். கண்மணியே, காதல் என்பது கற்பனையோ காவியமோ கண் வரைந்த ஓவியமோ? நாளொரு வேகமும் மோகமும் தாபமும் பாலும் கசந்தது பஞ்சனை வந்தது காரணம் நீ அறிவாய், தேவையை நான் அறிவேன். நாளொரு வேகமும் மோகமும் தாபமும் வாலிபம் தந்த சுகம், இளம் வயதினில் வந்த சுகம். தோள்களில் நீ அணைக்க வண்ணத் தாமரை நான் சிரிக்க, ஆயிரம் காலமும் நான் உந்தன் மார்பினில் ஆயிரம் காலமும் நான் உந்தன் மார்பினில் தோரணமாயாடிடுவேன். கண்மணியே, கண்மணியே, காதல் என்பது கற்பனையோ காவியமோ கண் வரைந்த ஓவியமோ? எத்தனை எத்தனை இன்பங்கள் நெஞ்சினில் பொங்குதம்மா, பல் சுவையும் சொல்லுதம்மா. Lots of mistakes, breathlessness because two voices I had to sing, all overlaps. Hope you understand it. Thank you very much. Next choice comes from Sri Mirjan Sahul. It's not a film song, it's from an album. I beg your pardon, I don't have the name of the album or the name of the lyricist, but the music is composed by Sri M.S. Vishwanathan. It's in Tamil. பூங்காவின் காற்றே, பூந்தென்றல் ஊற்றே, ரீங்காரம் நீ பாடிவா, எங்கள் நபிநாதர் புகழ் பாடிவா, நபிநாதர் புகழ் பாடிவா. பூங்காவின் காற்றே, பூந்தென்றல் ஊற்றே, ரீங்காரம் நீ பாடிவா, எங்கள் நபிநாதர் புகழ் பாடிவா, நபிநாதர் புகழ் பாடிவா. என்றும் நீங்காத இன்பம் அவர் தந்த மார்க்கம், அதன் மீது நடமாடிவா, உள்ளம் மாறாமல் நீ பாடிவா, எங்கள் நபிநாதன் புகழ் பாடிவா. பூங்காவின் காற்றே, மாற்றானின் நெஞ்சம் நோகாத வண்ணம் மாசிலா மொழி பேசினார். One second. மாற்றானின் நெஞ்சம் நோகாத வண்ணம் மாசிலா மொழி பேசினார். மாற்றானின் நெஞ்சம் நோகாத வண்ணம் மாசிலா மொழி பேசினார். தன்னை இழிவாக தீயோர் வசை சொன்ன போதும் சினமின்றி முகம் காட்டினார். என்றும் பிறர் வாழ அவர் வாடினார். தன்னை இழிவாக தீயோர் வசை சொன்ன போதும் சினமின்றி முகம் காட்டினார். என்றும் பிறர் வாழ அவர் வாடினார். ஏழை துயர் தீர அவர் வேண்டினார். எங்கள் நபிநாதர் தந்த அழகான தீனை அகிலத்தில் நீ சொல்லிவா. உள்ளம் மகிழ்ந்தாட நீ பாடிவா. பூங்காவின் காற்றே பூந்தென்றல் ஊற்றே ரீங்காரம் நீ பாடிவா. ரீங்காரம் நீ பாடிவா. எங்கள் நபிநாதர் புகழ் பாடிவா. எங்கள் நபிநாதர் புகழ் பாடிவா. நன்றி உங்களுடைய நன்கொடைக்கு சாகுல் அவரே. Dear all, yesterday while I was announcing the details of the song, the loop song I sang about Arunachaleshwarar, Om Namah Shivaya, Hara Hara Shivane, I said the composition was by Veeramani Kannan. I correct myself, the composition was by Sri Arvind, late Arvind. Maybe in Tamil this is the first of this style of song, the loop style of song. And thanks to Shamla from Kuala Lumpur who has corrected me. Thank you very, very much. The next choice is by Sri Prasad Iyengar for a Tamil song from the film Thillu Mullu. Lyrics by Sri Kannadasan and music by Sri M.S. Vishwanathan. ராகங்கள் 16 உருவான வரலாறு நான் பாடும்போது அறிவாயம்மா. ராகங்கள் 16 உருவான வரலாறு நான் பாடும்போது அறிவாயம்மா. பல 100 ராகங்கள் இருந்தால் என்ன, 16 பாட சுகமானது. பல 100 ராகங்கள் இருந்தால் என்ன, 16 பாட சுகமானது. ராகங்கள் 16 உருவான வரலாறு நான் பாடும்போது அறிவாயம்மா. கலைமாது தான் மீட்டும் இதமான வீணை கனிவான ஸ்வரம் பாட பதமானது. கலைமாது தான் மீட்டும் இதமான வீணை கனிவான ஸ்வரம் பாட பதமானது. கனிவான ஸ்வரம் பாட பதமானது. அழகான இளம் பெண்ணின் மேனி தான் கூட ஆதார சுதி கொண்ட வீணையம்மா. அழகான இளம் பெண்ணின் மேனிரா, அழகான இளம் பெண்ணின் மேனி தான் கூட ஆதார சுதி கொண்ட வீணையம்மா. ராகங்கள் 16 உருவான வரலாறு நான் பாடும்போது அறிவாயம்மா. பல 100 ராகங்கள் இருந்தால் என்ன, 16 பாட சுகமானது. ராகங்கள் 16 உருவான வரலாறு நான் பாடும்போது அறிவாயம்மா. Sorry for all the mistakes. Dear all, we have started this yajna, this yajna called Listener's Choice on the 28th of March. And fortunately or unfortunately, today is the culminating day for this. I have completed singing the choices of at least 95% of the listeners. The rest of the 5 I could not do because when I started this program, I said that from 100 rupees, whatever you contribute, for each contributor, 1 song. That's what I said. But some of them asked for 5 songs, 6 songs, 7 songs, 10 songs. So that way the number becomes less. And there were some repetitions also. Maybe 10 people asked for the same number. So that number concludes. And ultimately, there were some numbers which I thought were very, very tough to sing live. Some because of my inability to do justice to that. You may ask whether I have done justice to all the songs. No, not at all. But I could say that I was very sincere in my attempt. That much is 100% sure. This is for the past these 40 or odd days, like a student, I have been practicing all these songs. Even my people at home were asking, you were more relaxed when you were so busy singing songs outside. But these days, you are more busy, working so hard like for an examination. Yes, I thought it was my responsibility to do my best for all those people on my request who have donated for a noble cause. I should see that they are happy. If there are any mistakes committed by me, please forgive me. If any songs I have left out, the reasons I have already explained. And I am very, very grateful for all the generosity of all these people. Within 4 or 5 days, I will be certainly intimating you how we are dispersing this money for the good cause. And there were people who have donated 1 lakh. There were people who have donated 200. I have treated the requests of everyone in the same fashion, on the same page. No big and small in the stature of the people by way they have contributed to this. And in some of the songs, some of the names in utterance, my pronunciation might have been wrong. Some of the credits to the songs, I might have committed mistakes. I was correcting the episodes, further episodes, but yet there might be some mistakes. Hope the lyricists, the music directors will forgive us. And one more thing, don't forget now the importance of the musicians in a song recording. When they were all there, we were put in a rostrum and we were presented in a beautiful fashion. So, without the musicians, I was singing only with a shruti and a click track. So now you know when the musicians are all there supporting, how a song becomes and song goes to a different dimension. So I am grateful to all those musicians, to all the lyricists, to all the music directors who have contributed to make me a singer today. And I only pray God that this corona, this atrocity will pass away very soon, and we all will have our regular lives after this, peaceful lives after this. But my only request is, you 90% of the people who are abiding by laws and regulations about hygienity and everything, about hygiene and discipline. Can't we continue that even after this pandemic is over? We can. Look at the rivers now, they are so clean. Look at the atmosphere, it is so unpolluted. The air is so pure, and we can listen to the sounds of birds, and there is no Shabda Kalusham. So if we can be of the same discipline hereafter, we can make this world very, very beautiful. And at least for the next generation, let us give the best and take care of your health. And yet the dark cloud has not passed away. So let us stick to the regulations given by the government and the authorities. Let us be grateful to the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, ambulance drivers, police department, and bank people, and the press people, and so many volunteers, so many NGOs who are taking the risk in attending to our chores to keep us very healthy. They were all gods to us. They are all gods, literally. Hereafter, in your everyday prayers, think of them first. Pray for their well-being and then pray for others. Thank you very much for being so patient with me. Now, I wanted to finish this ensemble of songs with a very, very right song of Tyagaraja, which I have tried to sing the film Tyagaya. And for the film, the music arrangement has come through Sri K.V. Mahadevan and Pugalindi sir. And I followed the way Sri Chittur V. Nagaya has sung in his Tyagaya, because music, particularly Carnatic music or classical music, is nothing but devotional music, devotion towards God, and the expression and bhakti is very important. Great stalwarts have sung this song with a lot of potence, and they have a lot of grammar in them. I am a novice as far as classicism is concerned. In my own way, I am trying to sing this song as a tribute to you all, to the contributors, and to the frontline workers, and to everybody who is working for us. For my mistakes, for my any misdeeds, please forgive me. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't acknowledge the services rendered by Sri Sampath and Sri Seshadri of SPB Fans Charitable Foundation, who are taking care of the bank details every day and the listener's choice song list every day, and sending me, updating me every day, and lots of other members of our fraternity also. Last but not the least, my son Charan and my nephew Chandrasekhar, who are the technical support in doing this program for me. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. The request comes from Sri Raja. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your contribution. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. చంద్రువర్ణుని అంద చందములు హృదయా అరవిందమునా చూచి బ్రహ్మానందమనుభవించువారెందరో మహానుభావులు. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. Sorry, I lost my breath. సామగానలోలా సరసిజలావణ్యధన్య మూర్ధన్యులెందరో మహానుభావులు. మానస వనచర వర సంచారము నిలిపి మూర్తి బాగుగా పొడగనే వారెందరో మహానుభావులు. సరగుణ పాదములకు స్వాంతమను సరోజమును సమర్పణము సేవారెందరో మహానుభావులు. హొయలు వీర నడలు గల్గు సరసుని సదా కనుల జూచుచును పులక శరీరులై ఆనంద పయోధిని మగ్నులై ముదంబునను యశంబు గలవారెందరో మహానుభావులు. భాగవత రామాయణ గీతాది శృతిశాస్త్ర పురాణపు మర్మములన్ శివాది షణ్మతముల గూఢములన్ 30 సురాంతరంగముల భావంగుల నెరిగి భావరాగ లయాది సౌఖ్యముచే చిరాయువుల్గలిగి నిరవధి సుఖాత్ములై త్యాగరాజాప్తులైన వారెందరో మహానుభావులు. అందరికీ వందనములు. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. సర్వే జనా సుజనా భవంతు. సర్వే సుజనా సుఖినో భవంతు. జై స్వచ్ఛ భారత్. జై స్వాస్థ్య భారత్. స్వస్తి.